Good morning, YouTube. Oh, let me share my screen real quick. Good morning. We're running a little late today. Let me set up my YouTube listing. What's up, KJ? Good morning, Stephanie.
Bro, I think I like lost my voice.
Now.
Good morning, good morning.
Bro, why are we trading higher today? It's supposed to dump.
The 1 hour inverse. Wait, can you even hear me? I'm like talking like super quiet.
Barely.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
we
alright.
we inversed that 1 hour.
Bro, I want to see those previous week's lows get taken out. I mean, we're still pretty bearish. Rejecting that low weekly fair value gap. Good morning, good morning.
Yeah, we are in this overnight range as well. So we took Asia low, and then there's London low up there. Just took London high, and then again Asia high is up there. Relative equal highs.
Yeah.
Wait, actually,
What happened? Why did you say stop?
I think he's saying it for chess.
Oh,
330.
I thought he's talking. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, there's relative equal highs at the Asia high, like of this, and then there's also September 27th. So 333, 331, and yeah, 331 as well. So relative equal highs. Gonna put that as an alert. And then, yeah, London lows, 221.
What?
You do that every day, bro.
Let me find
the music comes out so loud.
Okay, so good now. Anyway,
215.
215. What's there?
London low.
Yeah.
And remember, 215. So that's a major liquidity point because we took Asia low. So there's going to be a lot of supers there. It's also 50% of this inverse of the 1 hour.
Yeah, if you're gonna go lower this week, it should be today. We're tapping a low of that weekly fair value gap. We still have those equal lows below. I want to see Monday be that manipulation. So Monday does look like a manipulation. We opened up, swept Tuesday's highs. I'm just placing back down. So I want to see a trade. Music kind of loud. 1 sec. Okay, should be good now.
Yeah, I mean, another thing is I'll send this in the Discord chat. So this 1 hour, that inverse, there's another little small 1 hour in there that we've been bouncing off of, and both of them are like consequent encouragement of the respective gap.
Okay. Got the
yeah, I mean, there's
looking pretty bearish.
Yeah, there's 10 a.m. news and stuff too. So
yeah,
I'm not gonna take any trades. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any funded trades before that.
Let me see, 9:45. You have that's orange folder, and then PMI at 10. Yeah, we got PMI and Jolt's job opening, so it should definitely move the market.
Nice little data wick.
I got evals I can trade. I just bought a couple yesterday. I got 3 top step, 2 my funded futures, and I got my FTT account set up.
Nice.
Bro, how many micros should I trade on them? Like, I just need to make like 150 a day. I'm thinking like 3, or probably even 2.
I mean, It's gonna depend on. Wait, is it 50k or 25 accounts?
25k. ICT got stopped. He's live trading. Mr.
Wait,
ICT.
You said 25k, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trading 3. 150 is pretty easy to make with 3.
Bro, ICT got stopped, and I can't get stopped out. The fuck?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. We have a range, not range, opening range gap. Where's my indicator? Yeah, ICT got stop hunted. That's why you don't trade before 9:30, bro. Okay, we got a small little gap, which we already filled. Yeah. Should dump here now. Rejecting this 5-minute, the Yoda block.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing that's been holding price up for the last, basically overnight, is this 15-minute at 15:45.
Yeah, should dump here. Come on, NQ. Okay.
London though just got swept on ES.
Yeah.
So there's SMT. But why don't my ES alerts go off?
Yeah, ICT had the right bias, but he got stop hunted. Oh my god, look at that shit. And that's why I don't trade before open. Nice big candle right there. Damn. Okay.
There we go. That's London low.
Yeah. I'm liking this push down. I think it's gonna be a trend day down today. A downtrend day. Tapped. I love that new week opening gap bouncing. Would have preferred to move higher or open, but okay. Oh wait, hold on. He top ticked that. He re-entered. Good morning, good morning. My bad, I wasn't reading the YouTube chat.
Yeah, I mean, this is displacing right below London low. 25 minutes until this candle closes. If this candle closes below 192.25 on NQ, we basically close below 2 bullish gaps, and then sell side is basically 20.56.
Yeah, I don't want to see it dump this much at the open though.
Yeah, I don't either because it's a Judas swing. Okay, going into the second 15-minute, smaller one. Gotta put an alert at 119 as well. Just kind of see reactions. Swing low.
Yeah, we got those lows there.
See 15, 5-minute. I mean, they're equal lows on the 5-minute, so. Relative equal lows. 1875 and 119. Probably the draw.
Don't chase this move down, guys. We should get a bounce up here soon.
We're about 30 points from that low. For bearish bias, like I don't want to see this close above 161 at all. I want to see both these 15 minutes get violated.
Nah, don't.
And
We're
then-
gonna dump today.
Yeah, and then, you know, if they close below, probably get a retrace. Then data highs and data lows, something like that. That's like my A+ for today.
Oil pumping. I don't trade oil.
And there it is. There's that 15-minute.
And the Android notification. Oh my god, bro.
Wait, no SMT. Wow. These charts look the same.
To chill out here.
Do you guys see how when, you know, both of the indices are moving together, like how clean the move is and how fast the move is?
Yeah.
Like, look at the 15-minute on both, you know, and this it's been a while since I've seen, you know, them this correlated.
Yeah, we're definitely
Clearly
going for those lows at 953 and tapping the weekly fair value gap today. Or are we just gonna dump? Like no entry? The fuck?
Yeah, there's no entry unless you chase something. There's not even a fair value gap tap. Let's see, 30-second. Yeah, I mean, like, unless you take like an order block entry.
Mm-hmm.
At 2056 is prior date low. And Q, let's see what ES. ES is a bit further from prior date low. Mark this out actually.
No, I haven't took any trades. We just opened up. Oh, we gotta size down, bro. Look at these big ass candles. They're moving like 20 points. That small candle was 25 points. That's crazy.
Yeah, what the hell?
And that one, that big one was 60 points. Yeah, we gotta size down.
Bro, be patient. It'll give us some money.
Yes, sir. God damn, what it dumped.
Bro, just prior day low, right there.
185 point dump at the open.
Yeah, that's pretty wild, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, we just rejected the low of the weekly fair value gap.
It was an inverse head and shoulders, bro.
Okay,
The
bet.
15-minute. Yeah, I mean, it's going to sell. Like, prior day low is the most, like the closest sell side right now. And then after that, there's just so much room. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is where you really want to go on your higher time frames and kind of see, okay, like where are the lows, where's the gaps, especially like gaps that are untapped. Doesn't seem to be any on the 1 hour. Check the 4 hour. Ooh. So on the 4 hour, interesting is if we close below 2116, that's basically the only 4 hour gap that hasn't been closed through, and that
ICT is
gap has
still in
already been
shorts.
filled, and there's all this LRLR.
Hopefully we save previous day's lows after the news, and then we can trade.
Yeah.
There was a union strike by dock workers today at midnight. It will last 2 weeks and will stop half US economy, the entire East Coast. What the fuck? Hold on. Oh shit. That's why we're dumping. Yeah, we're definitely trending down today.
Yeah.
Just need a good entry now. I showed it a down open because of the info, but I usually don't trade fundamentals. Nice. You guys watch Dragon Ball? No. Probably gonna dump here, take out previous day slows.
Yeah. It's like right there.
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck?
It's hedging it.
It's literally like what? 2 points. What's the low? 50, 56. There we go.
There you go. Oh my god, the Android notifications, bro.
I'm gonna mute those. Yeah, I mean,
No, I
we
have
just
not took any trades.
we've just displaced 20 points below this low. Now we're tapping into the new week opening gap from prior week.
Guys, I'm totally fine not taking a trade. And it's not even 10 a.m. yet. We have news. I'm not gonna chase this move down. I'm just happy that our weekly bias is playing out. Monday was the manipulation, and now we're gonna dump to those lows.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like yesterday we had like, you know, certain levels and stuff marked out based on liquidity, and like all those hit, there was no entry, but I was so happy that, you know, we had the levels right.
Yeah.
Like that's more satisfying to me because I know like next time, like, you know, if there is an entry, I can enter and I can, you know, I can hold for those targets. That's why we can hold for these like 100-point plays, is because we're so confident. Like we've seen our levels hit so many times. So
Tap new week opening gap. Probably gonna bounce here a little.
yeah, I mean, we're due for a bounce.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be like that one day where we just dump like 600 points.
But like with all the bearish news, isn't it like too obvious to dump? Like everyone's gonna be shorting today.
Yeah, I mean, even like outside of the news, like look at the 4 hour, like how weak this like move up was. Like we just consolidated and like decided to like break out, and then took some 1 hour highs, and like it's again like there's still that SMT. You know, we're delivering off of like the highest time frame. You know, unless you're a psychopath and use a monthly, but like the weekly, we're delivering off the weekly gap, and then, you know, you guys suck. Yearly charts, oh hell no.
Yearly, that's crazy.
I have a friend that actually does execute on like the monthly and the 4 hour only, or
Really?
monthly, daily, and 4 hour.
Or you got weird ass friends, I ain't gonna lie.
This guy's a options trader though. Bro, what is that sound?
Playing chess.
Nah, bro.
On my other monitor, bro.
You're entering contracts, aren't you?
Yeah, you got me.
So what I will say on like a day like this, you can actually take like little FVG taps on like the 30-second, and you keep a tight stop, but the draw has to be like really really good. So like prior day low is a really good draw.
Just don't chase a smooth, bro. Just wait till 10. We're probably gonna get a pullback.
Yeah. These guys asking me.
Turn off set or else it messes it up. No. ICT said just use the one that shows the most volume balances. And it only affects the daily chart. It has no effect on the 1 minute or any lower time frames. Okay, yeah, weekly, all the higher time frames, but not the lower ones. Shit, I lost in this too. ICT still in shorts. Talking about the weekly imbalance. Let's see.
7 minutes.
Doesn't really do anything, does it? Barely does anything. Bro, is our weekly draw gonna hit in like 1 hour candle? In just a single hourly candle? Shit is crazy.
Yeah, I mean, let's see. There's still the SMT at prior day low.
Mm-hmm.
$280 candle. Like, this is wild.
I've been training for 3.5 years. I get that question every single day.
Previous week low draw. Yeah, I think that's what Fearless mentioned.
Yeah, that's our draw for this week.
Remember that's also where the gap starts on the.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why it was a really good draw. That's why I wanted to see, but we just looks like it was gonna dump straight to it. 5 minutes till the 10 a.m. news.
Yeah, because the main thing with ICT is if you're delivering from, a gap like a bearish gap, you want to go to the next bullish gap. So you want to fall down into a bullish gap. Because the market goes from like inefficiency to inefficiency. So we deliver off of the weekly bearish gap, and now we're delivering to like the bullish gap, and you'd expect some sort of a bounce.
It's right there, bro. It's only like 30-40 points away.
Yeah. Bro, just take prior week low already.
Trading back into a new week opening now. We're also tapping the weekly order block, but I want to see a dump here first.
Yeah, I want to see it tap into this gap. I mean, news might just take it down and then leave like a data high.
Hold on, I'm gonna sit down.
Are you completely like you're not taking longs at all?
We'll see what news does. I mean, if we take out those lows, and we're also tapping that weekly fair value gap, we might look for longs. Okay. Shit. Yes, I trade live every day. Probably gonna run higher here if we close above the new week opening up. 2 minutes of news. Anyone take a trade yet? It's gonna run higher. Do it in Q.
Stop that in profit. That's good.
I'm looking for longs on this weekly volume balance. Yeah, I'm not really interested in longs until we take out those lows. 30 seconds. Weekly level, bro, trust. Alright, bro, it looks like we're gonna dump here. We can't even close above the new week opening gap. Or we trade higher, take out this buy side here. All the people have been trailing their stop losses. Take them out and then dump.
Yeah. I mean, I want to see dump into the weekly gap with news. Leave a data high.
Okay, here
Adverse up. That's what I don't want.
Bro, it probably trapped so many shorts right there.
Yeah.
I should at least take out 67s. This all be assessed with. Yep, there you go.
Wow. What's the rule with news? Like, once news hits, you can trade, right? Like, or is there like a window?
No, you have to wait like 2 minutes before and then 2 minutes after. Not on the new plans though. You can't full port CPI on the new plans.
Okay. I mean, it's 30-second close. Let's see. It's retesting now.
I want to see it go higher. Take out these little highs here. Tap this 15 minute.
Yeah. I wanted to leave this the wick.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the 1 minute we have, wick on both sides. I want to see this go up. Take some of these highs out and then come slamming down.
What are you eating right now?
Eggs. You want some?
No, I'm good. Yo, why aren't your gifts working, George?
I was just gonna say that, bro. What is this GIF, bro? That's why.
That's crazy. Okay. Come on, NQ, go higher.
Yeah, I don't want this to go down, bro. I mean, technically, like if it does go down, if it sweeps this low and then sweeps, it taps into the weekly. You know, then we still have data highs.
Yeah, but I really want to take shorts instead of longs.
Yeah, I would be more comfortable taking shorts as well.
Hit data low, we can go up. Let's see. This 1 minute is gonna decide. No, I'm not taking anything. I mean, like a 200 point at the open. 200 point dump at the open. Probably gonna consolidate. Wait, not even 200, 280. Damn, that's huge. Okay, let NQ just chill out a little bit, and then we can trade.
Yeah,
and definitely lower your size. We're moving like 30-40 points on each candle.
Yep.
I think this account is gone. Didn't follow a plan. What's your setup? Did you trade your setups, or did you just take random trades?
Yeah, I mean, you know, if the first trade was, you know, your setup, then after that random trades, it's a same thing, right? Like the next eval you buy, like really tell yourself like, hey, only A+ setups. You know, write the checklist down. Like I have a checklist like right in front of me. You know, I can send a picture of it right now if no one believes me. Like I literally have a checklist.
I don't believe you.
Okay, I'm gonna send a picture right now.
I got you guys.
So
I know you guys want to see that. 1 minute holding up so far. Should go
how do
higher.
I wait? If I send it in the live chat, do I get disconnected?
Why would you get? Oh, the
Because my phone. Let me try real quick.
He's making excuses now. Damn. No bad setups. Wait for model. Sweep of higher time frame. Delivery. SMT. Discount inverse. 2R. No emotions. No FOMO. Yeah, see, this is what you guys need to do. Check the chat real quick. If you're on V2, I'm talking about the Discord chat.
I literally got this like on my desk every day.
Me too. I got a little book next to me. Yeah, let me take it out.
And in all honesty, I never used to believe in it. I was like, what is that gonna do? Like, I already know my model.
Me too, bro. I never believed in this shit.
Even journaling, I was like, bro, what is like? I'm not gonna go in and be like, dear diary, today I took a loss. Like, but I'm telling you,
dear diary.
That shit helps. It helps so much. Because you know what happens is, you know, so, I'll be honest. Like, even you know now, like, I'll put my hand on the buy button on like an eval. I'm like, man, like five minis look good, and then I see this paper, and then like, you know, I just have a little bit of shame. Like, yeah, don't do it.
Yeah.
And I do still like heavy size on evals, but what I do is I just wait for the setup to do it. This 1 minute fit inverse is I think we go to the prior week. 5, 4, 3.
Kind of
Okay,
want to
so
take
you'd
this
want-
inverse on my just like one eval, like one contract.
Yeah, I took it on eval.
Eval, okay.
Like really low. It's like 2 micros. Because again, we're deep in discount. I'd rather just wait for like the prior week low to hit, or
No, I
the
didn't take
gap.
it.
Sorry.
I didn't take it or anything, not even my eval. I want to, but I don't know. I just don't feel it.
You could scale some at the low. I'd go break even at. I mean, it's an eval for me, but you can go break even around here depending on when you got filled. I got a bad fill, like a really bad fill. Yeah, if you entered right on the inverse, your stop should be like break even now, 211. You don't want to see this go back up, because again, like you're shorting in deep discount. Like I don't care if it's an eval, right? It's not an A plus setup. It's like a B setup at best. It's you're targeting draw on liquidity. You're joining the play.
SMT with you guys. A big SMT. Wait, did you guys not take out the low? The low there is 54.75. Oh, it created equal lows. Well, ES loves to create equal lows and highs.
Yeah, ES. Again, 211.50 should have been your entry, and then your stop should be. There's a low. Bro, why isn't my order executing? What the fuck? Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm out one there, and then just break even. My next target is 1 sec. I will let you know. By 2. How many points is that? 23 points? 23 points, yeah. I mean, I got a really bad fill. I should have gotten like 30 points. Yeah, it was like a 33 point with like a 15-point stop. But for some reason, I got filled. Well, I know why. It's because it closed and then instantly dumped. I got filled at like 0.003. But that's why I just sized like so small.
Dump it. Take out this low.
And go hit.
There you
Okay,
go.
I'm all out. I'll actually make a video on that because that's good for evals. Again, no funded trades at all. What the hell is...
Yo, me and Peter are doing a little competition. We both bought the top set combines together. And we're trying to see who passes them first and gets a payout.
You're gonna win that. But Peter's a guy with FTT, right?
Yeah, he was with Top Step, and then he switched to My Funded Futures, and now he's with FTT.
Bro, if you win, he has to do like a giveaway for like 5 funded.
He can't do
FTT,
shit, bro.
yeah.
He just got hired. He said like, give me a month and we can do something for your Discord.
Did anyone take that? The 1 minute inverse?
Tap that weekly. Wait, how many points did you catch on your last contract?
What did I enter 003? And I exited at 55, I think. I caught 48 on the last one, and on the first one I only caught like 25.
Nice.
This should have been more, bro.
Okay, there's
This
solo
so
on ES. ES tapped the weekly, NQ tapped the weekly. Should get a nice little bounce now. Or we go to these relative equal lows at 863s. I honestly don't want to long today.
Yeah, no, like look at the 4 hour. We've inversed that, like that one little mini gap, and there's nothing. I mean, we're in the in a 4 hour right now, but this one's been balanced. Like what else is there really? I mean, there's this next 4 hour low at 860. Where are those relative lows that you mentioned?
On the 4 hour, 62.50. You already swept them. I barely swept them.
Yeah.
We have that small little gap too. And on oh wait, hold on ES we have equal lows there. That's actually a nice little draw.
Oh yeah, we do.
ICT is still in his shorts, bro. Wait, I need to refresh. Wait, never mind. He took him out. Yeah, he had the same draw as us. Isn't that crazy? It took it out exact high there.
Bro, I don't care what anyone says, bro. ICT is a fucking goat.
Yeah.
Like even if like let's say I had like a higher win rate than him, I would still call him the GOAT. Like he just changed like how I look at the market. So
WICT. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take longs today. It just looks like it's gonna dump today. If I don't get anything in the M session, I'll look at the PM. Oh wait, shit, I got school today. Fuck.
skip it.
I already skipped it last Thursday.
Skip it again.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Bro, this is the worst like cold I've ever had.
Bro, I haven't been sick in a while. I ain't gonna lie, probably like a year.
You don't have a son, that's why.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, whenever my son gets sick, like you know, I get sick or my wife gets sick, and then we just all get sick.
Yeah, I think this shit's gonna dump to those lows.
But the draw is definitely lower. the reason is, look, so prior day low was the SMT. We literally had like no reaction, there. Like we took it and then we came back like what, 10 points. Again, huge displacement. These relative equal lows, again, displacement. This is when you just wait.
Yes, sir.
Again, no trades unfunded. I don't even care to touch my funded right now. That's why I said having an account is better than, like getting one and then passing it in one day.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'll be honest, like this 100K, it's been saving me from, taking a loss on my funded. Because I just take, I'll just take like 1 or 2 micros.
Yeah.
Like this 100K, I have a whole month to pass it, right? I'm not worried about passing it or failing it, but I'm using it as like I'm using it as a way to stay disciplined. And if I get close to the, like the monthly rebill and it's not passed, like that's when I'll kind of look to size heavy like a few days before, just so I can take advantage of the free reset. It's already up like 2.5K, so.
You're up how much on the 100K?
2.5K.
I'm up 2K on my 100Ks. I guess I gotta make money. Hold on. Be right back.
There's that FOMO.
Okay, I'm in with 6 contracts. JK, bro. I take about, I would say, 3 to 4 trades a week. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Down $5. Oh no, bro. Shit. Drop your GoFundMe link. KJ, bro, I actually did that once. I lost like $1,400 in a day, and I was trading like my own money, and I dropped my GoFundMe link in one of the Discords I was in. I was like down 16K, like with my personal money and shit.
Was that the Tesla days?
A little earlier than that when I started trading.
Bro, tell them how you used to trade Tesla.
Oh, Tesla was the GOAT, bro. 5 contracts at the open. The most I made was 10K in like 2 weeks, and then gave it back the next 2 weeks.
No, you gotta tell them the strategy.
Oh, the strategy?
Just what?
Time until 9 EMA. I don't know, bro. I was buying every dip. Like if we would dip at open, how long, and then it would just wick, and then I'll exit.
It was literally like the most like craziest scalping strat. Like I remember he sent me in, and I'm like, bro, you found like the cheat code. And then like 2 weeks later, like it's just like loss. I remember I live traded with him once, like just me and him on a call, and I was like ready. I was like, yo, like bro, I think you found the cheat code. Like we're gonna make it in trading. Took a loss. I was like, what the fuck?
Crazy days, bro. I'm telling you guys, bro, I'm gonna scale up a lot this month. That's literally my goal. I don't care about getting a payout this month. I just want to pass 5 evals with Top Step, 20 accounts with FTT, and then 3 with my funded futures, and try to get the live account. Yeah, it's actually a little stressful trading all these accounts together, but I'm trying to get used to it. The last 2 months have been good, so I don't really need to get these payouts this month.
Yeah, what I do is like the reason I always have an eval is like I always want one funded, like 1 or 2 funders just sitting there always.
Should take us 75s here, those equal highs.
Yeah.
SMT at the lows inside our weekly fair value gap. Uh-oh.
Should take these.
So our weekly target got hit. I'm happy about that.
Okay, so we have a 30.
I'm gonna long this on my eval. I like this SMT. Bro, can I access my evals, please? Okay, let me size down though.
Yeah.
Okay. Eval trade. 30-point risk isn't too bad. Just run those equal highs for me. And I'll move myself to break even.
Yeah, I entered on the order block, the 30-second order block.
Yeah, there you go. Can I stop at break even?
Yeah, same. That was such a tight stop. How much is that stop?
Yeah. Up. Okay.
Because I entered right when...
I'll take one contract off. Stop and profit now. Pretty much like 5 points in profit. Oh, I can't even make more than 3,000. Shit. Bro, just give me a 10-point move. Don't do this to me, NQ. Just give me that 10-point move. If it breaks that high, I'm gonna hit that 50% rule. That's all I need. No, come on, NQ.
Yeah, you want to see this 1 minute and 30 second just inverse.
Damn, that's 40 points. It didn't feel like 40 points. About to get stopped on the last contract. Still a nice trade. Yeah, SMT inside a weekly fair value gap is strong. And we had these equal highs. That's my main target. I should have took it on the FTD accounts. We're rejecting off that 5 minute.
I wish I took this on eval with like heavy size. I got stopped break even.
I got stopped. I didn't.
What did you enter off of?
This SMT. I didn't enter off anything.
Yeah, I entered out the 30-second order block because so the 30-second
inverse 1 minute, and then we closed above.
Yeah, like I didn't inverse or I didn't enter on the 1 minute close. Like it was flying too much, but I saw like the 30-second was making order block, so I just entered there. I had a stop of only like 10 points.
It was too obvious of a trade to not trade. We have equal highs, SMT inside a weekly fair value gap. We inverse this 1 minute. I had to take it.
Okay, so now we inverse the 30-second, delivering off of a 30-second. If we're like truly bearish trend day to those, those 4-hour lows, this should just slam all the way down.
But the thing is, since open, we have been just dumping. Like, we never had that Judah swing.
Yeah.
It needs to trap some longs. I don't think that move was enough. Oops.
26 points from that 30 second.
Okay. Damn.
You know, I mean, just look at the rules I posted. Like, look at the second rule and the second point: delivery and displacement. So we hit this 30 seconds, so we're delivering off of this, and we got displacement through the bullish 30-second gap. There's an order block there. Again, it's like it's a draw and liquidity play. I didn't take that one, but just kind of commentating through it. What would the stop be on that 30? Like 15-point stop.
If 860, then we can bullish plays. Yeah, I'll see.
Come on, man. There is no way this one doesn't play out.
Oh, you're watching shorts? I mean, we got equal lows on ES as well. It's gonna play
I'm
out.
not in anything.
Be quick because we have SMT.
Yeah, I'm just tape rating the 30 second. It's already 2-1 if someone did catch that. 44 points. New low of day. Should be out most there.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And then 861. That's huge.
Here it comes.
See, like,
860.
So this would be a play like on Evo where I would size a little bit heavier.
So we're 2 for 2 today, right? You took one and then I took one.
Yeah. Don't count this one. You're not counting this one,
I
right?
take this one. No, hell no.
Yeah. I mean, this was just tape read for me, so. This should just like 861.
$200 away from passing my top step counts. 3 of them. And then another $500 on my 100K from hitting the 50%. Bro, ICT is cooking today. Bro, no way. Hold on. Look at this shit. Look at my screen. Look at his entry. Wait, did he get stopped out?
I have no idea, bro.
Bro, what the fuck is bro doing? He bought one. He bought 3 contracts, sold one. I don't know what he did. Never mind.
What is he entering off of?
I don't know.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, he does that shit on purpose.
He doesn't even need a PDD, right, to enter.
Yeah. He's also paper trading, so.
Yeah.
If he takes a loss, he takes a loss. Yeah, if anyone's starting out, I used to recommend paper trading. I don't anymore. There's too many cheap evals out there where you can just, trade with like actual, putting money on the line. So
yeah, it's
much better because I paper traded a lot and it helped. But like as soon as I was on eval, like I didn't understand the psychology behind it.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, if you're having trouble holding plays, if you're having trouble kind of like sizing and all that and passing evals, buy one eval and just trade 2 micros. Put like a 25-point hard stop and then start trail your stop after you hit 2-1. Or just go break even, like take 2 micros, right? 2-1, you take one off, so now you've basically made 2 trades worth of money, and then the last one you just hold to an extended target, and eventually you'll see like, wow, like, you know, that one micro, it not only pays you a lot, but it can also, you know, you'll just build the resiliency to hold. That 4-hour low is gonna hit.
I'm on 860.
Wait, did anyone take that 30-second?
We're in Q, bro. Don't do this shit to me.
See, like if I was in this, now my stop would be the previous, like the low of days, so 910, the previous low that we put in.
Yeah.
Because that's already 3-1. I could trail my stop, and then, you know, if I hit this 861, it's fine. Come on, bro. This just doesn't make sense though. Like, what is this dump, bro? 370 point dump.
Crazy. Crazy.
I mean, again, going back to like what we said. So yesterday, basically didn't call anything. You know, I think we called like eval plays and stuff, right? But
Yeah.
they were like small size and stuff. So
We took it 20.
you know, today we come in, we have our funded accounts, we have evals and stuff. We just execute.
Gotta send this over Peter.
Did you take any funded plays?
No.
I took that order block on funded.
Nice.
I mean, I was only risking what, 20, like $100.
Oh, I size heavy on my funded futures account.
Yeah,
As
I really,
usual.
because I entered on funded and I was like doing the sizing and all that stuff at the stop. Like I couldn't enter on eval.
I'm up 2,501, 3K on the other one, 1,800 on my top step, and then that's it.
You're using Top Step X, right?
Yeah. Wait, not 1,800. Shit, my bad. 1,300. Because I still need a 200 to pass. I'll get that. I'm just gonna scalpel trade.
Wait, what is this 30-second? What's the stop? Like, holy shit, 30 points?
Oh shit,
That'd be my hard.
I
Like
haven't
25,
read my
20.
YouTube chat. My bad, YouTube. Music name link, please. It's really good. It is. It's just... Here, I'll send a link. I'm surprised someone said that, bro.
The glazing, bro. I'm kidding.
Okay, but... What trade are we in? We took 2 eval. What was the first one, KJ? KJ took this inversion for rally gap here, caught this move down, and then I caught this move back up. Okay, I need to post the link.
Oh wait, this 30 seconds kind of cooked because there was this 30-second order block to these highs, 20 points. Yeah, I might not take this anymore. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take this anymore. You guys can, if you're green, I take this with like a percentage of the profit, the 30-second, if it closes above. I'm not taking it because I just noticed that there was this 30-second that we already inverse. We put in an order block. We took out this high.
Okay, so just above 860.
Still no close. But what is this PA?
It's good, bro. I'm liking this.
Yeah, I mean, like, the speed is like,
Especially after last week's PA, I like this shit. I told you, bro. This week is gonna be hella good.
I just took this with 1 micro on my eval only.
What did you take?
My stop will be 870, the 30-second. I was gonna take it on, I was gonna take it on funded, to be honest, but then I was like, no, it's like 25-point stop. I didn't really make, like, you know, because I got stop break even on most of my contracts on funded, so
Yeah,
I don't even want to risk.
Taking longs, take your low size, and then
again,
the scalp, don't hold.
Yeah, 100k eval, 1 micro, right? My target will be 8. So 985, and then let me see. Full porting. Oh, no, do not full port.
Who's full porting, bro? Oh, of course, George, Mr. George. Yo, I gotta pay like $500 to Top Step today for just the activation fees. That's why I like my futures.
15 points. If you entered, the highest we had was what? We were already up 20 points at 1 point. I'm just like, for me, it's just 2 to 1 at this point. It's just 1 micro. So we took that high. If you want to play conservative, you could go break even, because they put in this order block, and the order block's right, you know, at our entry.
Yeah, whatever he's saying, bro. I don't know what he's talking about.
There's also a gap at 940.
Dump it.
2-minute inverse. Let's see. Yeah. Again, we're in the 2 minutes. So if you want to play conservative, you could go break even.
2 minute. I never used a 2 minute time frame.
I'm already up nice on my eval, so like losing this, like, it's 36 points, which might seem like a lot, like $70. But
what's your entry?
It's 915. You could trim here. See of the 2 minute.
You can honestly move your stop to break even because rejecting 50% of that 1 minute.
Yeah.
And then 1 minute's in discount too, so if it's gonna go lower, it's probably here.
Yeah, if you want to play like super conservative, or if you're on like funded, which you shouldn't be, but if you are, just go break even, or just trim, because like we were up 25 points at the high there. Again, 25 points, new high. You could trim. Not trimming. I'm just in 1 micro, like, really nothing. Nothing to gain, nothing to lose.
You can't trim, bro. You don't have a choice. Bro said I'm not trimming. You can't trim. The fuck? Bro, I need to short something.
Wait, 3 minute inverse.
3 minute inverse, but I'm trying to see that stop loss to be taken first.
This is actually one of my models, so the 3 minute inverse retest, and then you just target the highs. But the thing is, like, we're so bearish that I don't even want to take anything else. Because I'm already green, right? So I don't like it stalling here. If we take this high again, I'll probably just go break even.
Bro, I might fade you guys with 1 contract. Ain't gonna lie. Still waiting up.
You gotta do it on funded.
Nah, I'm good.
42k. Yeah, I'll move my stop up a bit.
Move to break even though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, KJ, I know you're eating well. Your fill is at 9:15.
Yep.
Yeah, you move it to stop breaking. Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's break even. 40 points. See this displacement through these highs with this bearish price action. You don't even want to see this go back to entry. So move it to break even.
KJ. Right, you caught 2 fire trades today. You caught 40 on the first one, 40 on the second one. That's 80 points. Okay, 3-0 so far. All on emails though. I mean, I guess KJ took 1 trade on his funded.
Yeah, I took the what is it? 30-second. Hold on. Yeah, the 30-second order block, an inverse entry. This is up like.
Why are we only catching 40 points? You took 40 on the first trade. I took 40. I caught 40 on the second, and then you caught another 40.
The only problem is, man, that 30-second, like I don't know why. I should have trimmed a bit more, but I don't know. I was expecting more of a run up. Because I got stopped out at it's like basically 1-to-1. Do you guys see how I didn't take my a funded trade after I was already green on there? Like I just took eval, even though I was kind of confident in this, pumping up at least halfway through this leg. The reason is because again, I'm only up 100 and I'm risking what, more than 70% if I were to take this, because my hard stop would be 35. So no point really to take this. Now if I made 200 on the first play, then I would take it, because then I'm basically risking just half to make double that, right? You guys can start trailing your stop if you want now. So if I was in this unfunded, I'd just put my stop at 47 now. And then I would have gone stop there for what, 30 something points, 32 points. Stopped out. Let's say you have 5 contracts, stopped out with 32 points with five micros. That's still money.
We got
it's 300
highs on ES now.
Yeah. Break even. Yeah, I mean I'm break again. It's how many points is that? It's 1 micro. I really don't care. 70 points. $140 on a 100K account is nothing. You're probably wondering why I do this. It's literally just to build the confidence to hold for these plays. Because if I was in this on funded, I'd probably just have a runner by now, or stop. And what I'm trying to build is, you scale. If you have 5 micros, you scale 4. You got 40-50 points there, and then you have your 1 at break even. Especially with these firms that now allow you to have the runner because they don't have the trailing drawdown. It's much better. Now, if I was with fucking Apex still, I would have been all out. It's because of that trailing.
I'll take 1 contract here on my FTT account. Oh, this
Long
1 minute. Yeah, inverse fair value gap. Equal highs on ES. Just 1 micro. Just want to test out this platform.
Bro, is there any way to open NQZ on Top Step?
Hold on, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to place a stop loss on this shit. What the no.
30s.
Oh, I don't want to trade on this shit. Okay, I'm just gonna.
If this 30-second inverses, it will probably hit break even.
I'm gonna put my cursor on flat and all.
PTSD, bro. Trailing drawdown is the worst because you get 20 points and then you're like, well, if I stop out break even, like I took a 20-point loss technically on like the drawdown, and then you start trailing. Like it's just stupid. You know what's funny? Like I actually saw success after I left Apex. Like I was making money with Apex, but I wasn't like getting to the payout point. And it was because of that trailing drawdown. Like every time I'd be in a trade and like up like 200, I'd be like, well, I should just take profit before this goes back against me. And I was literally like unable to hold to my targets because of it.
3 minutes of the macro. Let's see what it does.
So we already caught 50 points on this, depending on where you trimmed. Right, so you could literally put your stop at 20 points in profit. If you haven't trimmed anything, you could literally put your stop at like 35. That's 20 points in profit.
Bro, I don't know how to exit. It's crazy. Lighting on, buy bid.
Wait, exit for your...
I'm trying to figure out this new platform for my FTT counts.
Oh. Rhythmic, right?
No, it's Motivate.
Bro, I think taking some good trades actually made me feel better. Not gonna lie. Like I woke up and I could barely talk. Like I was telling my dog to like eat his food and I couldn't get my voice out. This guy's just like looking at me. Consolidating in this little 30-second.
Okay, there you go. That's how you place an order. So it took me 10 minutes just to place an order. Now, I don't know if I want to enter this or not. Yeah, I'm not going to enter it. I don't like it. Consolidating now.
Yeah, you don't want it to consolidate here because it could just stop us break even and then go. Or it could take these lows, inverse down and go. But again, like if you're in this and you size a bit heavier than me, like just put your stop at these. Again, like you'd be stopped out there. 20 points, not bad.
Okay, cancel all. Latin all.
I'm telling you, 10 points with one mini. It's literally like PhD, master's degree, salary like 9 to 5 after taxes.
Okay, here's the macro. We already set the low. We're probably gonna go higher here. Let's see.
Bro, the question is, do I sell it that high, or do I just hold it? Yeah, I mean it's one micro. I'm just at break even.
No, just let it stop you out.
Yeah, I mean I'm not gonna take 40 points or $40. I'd rather let the 40 go. I mean, if someone caught that, like you're up either way. Should stop out.
Just tap the 5 minute.
What I want to backtest is the first candle in the macro.
Oh.
That like the first candle that the macro opens, and see if there's some kind of like pattern there. Let's see.
Yes, tap that 1 minute. Relative equal highs above, but you're also rejecting that new week opening gap.
Yeah, I mean, guys, like the draw is so bearish, or the order flow is like so bearish that It's just again, like I'm expecting it to stop break even. Okay, what I'll say is if you're in on funded, you could like exit full here. If you're in on like an eval that you care about, you could literally just exit here. It's still 15 points. If you're in a runner, then break even. There's no reason to stop out of your runner and profit. Just let it go. Did you place an order?
I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know how to place limit orders on this shit.
Didn't try long. I mean, I just alerted on a long that went like 48 points at the very high.
Yo, hell no. Bro, oh my god.
Did you just...
I entered fucking forward contract, bro. I'm trying to place a limit order and I marked it in. Okay, I still break even. Okay, I'm good.
Okay, I got stopped.
Okay, I gotta learn this shit.
If anyone took that, let me know. And let me know if you took it unfunded or eval. I'm not watching the YouTube chat, so I'll only see the Discord messages, but still type it in YouTube.
I didn't try longs. Tired of
Did anyone catch it on YouTube? Do you have the YouTube chat open?
let me open it real quick. Nope.
Hell no.
Okay, let me try entering again. Okay, set limit, one contract. Please go through. Okay. Now how do I place
George,
this
did
up?
you scale? Did you scale, George?
Mr. George? Okay, now I can place limit orders. Controlled. Trade.
Nah.
So if I'm
I mean, if you...
forward contract,
Yeah.
to buy.
If I was in like, let's say 2 contracts, I would have scaled some.
Trade,
But I was only at 1. And I'm already up on the day, like I don't really care.
30. Stop. Oh shit. Okay. Finally. $5 IFVG. Let's see if... Oh, did it close below? It did, yeah. Looking good. Or he holds this 1 minute and then pushes higher, we'll see. Oh, stop spamming your keyboard. Holy shit, that was loud.
Wait, there's probably a setting. Hold on. There's probably a setting on this mic. Okay, I know why. Okay, wait, let me know if you could still hear the keyboard.
Barely.
Okay, yeah. I just changed the like how it picks up. Wait, what setting do you use for like the pattern on the Blue Yeti mic?
Mine is set to the heart.
Okay, yeah, that's what I just set it to. Mine was set on like the 2s, like the 8 or whatever, the last one.
Oh. I don't even know what they mean. I just set it to heart.
It means like where the sounds get picked up. So if you have it on the last one, it's like it picks up the sound from the front and back. So if you're doing like an interview or something,
Mm-hmm.
and I think the heart is
okay.
And then the circle is like all around. I don't know what the first one is. seems like the same as the last one.
Dump it. Or it's gonna hold us 1 minute. Let's see what happens. 5 minute close blow. We'll see. You see how it's starting to chop now? This is where people are gonna blow their accounts.
Yeah, I mean, this is where, so what would happen is, so like, I got stop break even on there. The old me, I'd be like, what the hell, like this big ass green candle, like I got stop hunted, and I just enter again.
Yeah.
I'd probably take a loss. Again, I know that you can pass by full porting, but you have to be smart when you're full porting too. And another thing is, you don't even need to full port. Like you can just like half size the max cons, and you could still pass your fundits pretty easily. But you need those A+ setups.
Yeah.
Because the reason I don't even recommend full porting is, so like, you could have an A+ setup with only a 15-point stop, but like, that's your daily drawdown on most accounts. If it even goes like 10 points, you've already hit your daily drawdown with like 10 minis. So that's why I say just half port, like size accordingly, based on your stop to where you won't hit the daily loss. Like just size for like 2 full port plays in a day, or 2 like heavy size plays in a day. If you really want to. If you're just starting out, then trade very conservatively.
Someone in the YouTube chat said went long now. Nice move. I don't know if he's talking about your play or
he went. Yeah, if you.
Never mind.
Yeah, I know. Like that, the play I called out was like 48 points.
Yeah,
So
don't trade this sharp now.
Depending on where you trimmed or like how many contracts you had. Again, it's all about risk management, right? Like we were targeting 2 to 1. So if you're in a trade with these kind of conditions, and you're up 50 points, then you kind of got to decide, like, okay, like, do I just hold 2 to 1, or do I stop out break even, or do I trail my stop now? Again, if you're up like 1.5 to 1, you could start trailing your stop up. You could de-risk, like take some contracts off, hold the rest, right? There's many ways to do it. The problem that happens is, when you're new, you're gonna start to have all these thoughts like, okay, do I break even? Do I trim? Do I do this? Do I do this? And the easiest way to fix that is your back testing, right? So there's a reason why when I entered and I saw the big push up, I saw displacement above those highs, that I said, okay, like if you're in this, like you can move stop to break even if you want to be conservative. Is because back testing wise, I know like for a funded account, it just yields better results for me. But with eval, like with one micro, like I don't really care. Wait, what the fuck was that?
Oh Lord.
Bro, change. I'm telling you, like,
change it, bro.
How long have we been live streaming together? 2 weeks, right? Bro, every time I hear that beep, I immediately open my trading view. Because I keep thinking I left like an order or something open. Bro.
Bro, I like it, bro. It's just so nice. Okay, new hourly candle. Let's see what happens. probably gonna get it moved now. So we put in the lower wick. I think we're gonna go higher, ain't gonna lie.
Also, anyone who was saying that like there was a lack of alerts yesterday, I hope y'all caught like at least one of these moves, because there was how many like actual formal alerts there was. I think I called 2.
Yeah, and then I called 1.
So there was 3 formal ones, and then there was 1 30-second that I didn't take, so like I won't even count that one. I was just kind of commentating through it, but that one hit 2. So 3 to 4 alerts depending on how you want to count them. So you should have caught at least 1. Again, almost all of them went like 40 points. I think the only one that didn't was that one that stopped around like 25 points at those equal highs.
Yes, sir.
But yeah.
They're yelling at the stupid chat members who complain no signals, saying they alerted. No, I had some people DM me yesterday and pissed me off. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't want to stream today.
Bro, I mean, okay, so let's say we live stream and y'all take alerts and you don't learn from them, and then let's say we make a lot of money, like me and Fearless, and then we get into real estate and we're like, okay, who cares about live streaming? Like we just have this like passive income coming in. Like, what are you guys gonna do then, right?
Are there eval that do crypto only? What do you mean? Like a prop firm for crypto?
I've been looking into that because I get bored on the weekends.
I don't know any.
I'll let you know if I find one. I've been actually looking into that because I've been bored on the weekends. I think,
bro,
might have to trade some crypto. Focusing on how you execute it. Yeah, I mean, bro, like psychology is the best. Like that's why we implemented that like ticketing system, right? Is because we want to give everyone like a personalized response. Like we don't want to, like it's so easy for Discord. Like you can join so many Discords and they'll be like, follow your rules, stay disciplined, right? And then that's it. But like, bro, if someone is like hates their job and they're like depressed and they have no money and they're trying to make it off trading, like they shouldn't even be trading. Like first of all, they should probably go get like another job if they can, and if they can and they're still low on money, like get a second job, right? Like there's so many ways to make like side income. Like you could literally help like people moving like once a month, and that's like $100. You can buy like 1 eval, right? So like that's why we have that ticketing system. And like we've been getting good questions in there. Like it's not just all people, who have like psychology. Like there's some like random questions and stuff like, like can you guys explain like the evaluation process or like the consistency rule?
Yeah,
and it's good because
a lot of questions in there.
Yeah, like, and I'm happy to see that because when I was starting, like I was kind of scared to ask questions because most of the responses I got were like really like cookie cutter, or what they do is like they won't alert something, and then after it's green, they'll be like, yeah, I took this. And then I'm like, well, where's the entry? And then they just call me like a dumbass or something.
Dumbass. It's crazy.
I was like, bro, like what? Like I'm trying to learn here. For crypto props, there's Breakout and Bright Fund. They both seem reliable. Yeah, I mean, again, like it's very degen to trade on the weekend, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna do it.
Take some time off the charts on the weekend. Telling you guys, if you're new, you're probably gonna look at charts on the weekend as well. I mean, you can backtest if you're like really new, but take some time off, bro. Spend some time with your family, bro. Don't get addicted to the charts.
All you gotta do is trade the New York like 8:30 to 11, and then after that you take a break, go to the gym or whatever, right? And then you backtest like an hour or so at night, and then the weekends maybe backtest, journal, stuff like that. Like really review your trades, and that's when you really backtest. Like I'll have a video on backtesting too. It's like how you backtest. It's not as simple as, oh, here's my model and like what's the result, right? Like you have to go into each result and see why is this one larger than the other? Did I size heavy? Was the stop, did the stop give me enough room to breathe? Stuff like that.
12 hours on training is crazy, bro.
Wait, you can probably see yours too, right?
I don't trade on my phone, so it's probably hella low.
But I'm sure,
Let me check on my Mac real quick.
Yeah, I'm sure Mac OS has something similar. Wait,
It's
can
gonna
I
be
check?
crazy. I don't know about trading you, but I know YouTube is gonna be crazy on this. Let's see, screen time. App and oh, I just turned it on. It was off. Never mind. Yeah, I'll check in a week. I mean, I don't spend that much time on charts. It's only like first 3 hours, and then I hop off, and then I come back in like in the afternoon journal for another hour, so probably like 4 hours a day. Isn't that bad?
Yeah. Yeah, you'd want to see this dump right now because we just inversed this little 1 minute. Same thing. Draw on liquidity. I actually would have taken that if I saw it on eval. Just repeat the same thing. Because the first one I took with like three or five cons. I don't remember, but this one I would just take with like one. And there it is, the low.
Wow.
Let me write this shit down so I actually remember like what to make a video on.
Siri, set alarm for 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Okay, so Motive has a paper trading account. No, I can actually learn this shit. Buy market, buy ask. Anyone else here uses Motivate? This shit is ass, bro. You do? It's good? Bro, I can't even figure out how to place trades. Okay, now I'm on my paper trading. Hold on. Don't use it for execution, then what do you use it for? Charting on Motivate is crazy, bro, when you have trading view. Okay, so you just sell 3. Okay. Like, how do you place limit orders on this shit? Limit buy. Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, it's hella slow to trade on this. Better historical data. You can do tick data mainly for market volume profile traders who want very interesting.
Yo, run the poll. I want to see.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
And here's another thing: if you guys didn't take an alert because you weren't confident in it, and you didn't take a trade, that's okay too. You still have your account, so.
Okay, create pool.
Bro, what do you do when you have a sore throat?
Pretty much nothing.
What?
Yeah.
Honey. Bro, you know what the crazy thing is? Like, so honey tea, lemon tea, and like gargling salt water, and then like,
Mm-hmm.
like Halls or like any cough drops, usually just like, that's just what I use to get through it. But like, none of that stuff's been working.
My mom probably has a better answer for you. Ain't gonna lie.
Bro, she did say like haldi water or something. That's what my mom said.
No, I barely get sick.
When did you get ACOM? Bro, we need to play like some outro music.
Outro music. The fuck
Yeah, like
is this?
some
A
crazy-
Fortnite video?
Bro, no, like some song.
Bro said outro music.
Vic, vapor rub. Bro, I could see why your gifs are getting blocked.
Why? Oh.
I won't say it on live.
Okay.
Like there's so many. I mean, they're like borderline, like you can kind of perceive them.
But wait. But I
Bro,
don't have
that's what
anything like. I don't have any mod set up that blocks these
It's
gifts.
it's automatic. It's automatic. I think would talk to you later. Yeah, God bless you, bro. Yeah, bro, Acom. That's what my mom was like. She called me and like she was like, "Yeah, just take this. Like, trust me, bro." I never feel better after that.
Tell these jingle regular dummies. Hey, I'll see you later, King Plot. Morning got 100 points on my EO. Nice. We took 3 trades. We're 3 trades. We're up like. How many points are we up today?
I don't know.
You
Around
caught
50 points. I'll just
Wait.
count it with
50.
not 50 points. No, more than that.
I caught 40. You caught like 2
I
trades
caught-
worth 40.
I caught 25 unfunded, and then I caught 40, 20 plus 40. So like 60 with 2 micros. And then this last trade, like I got stop break even on the last trade, but it went 50 points. And then I said, if you're in this like with funded and stuff, like just trail your stop to 25 points.
So probably
So, yeah.
around like 80 to 100 points, I would say.
Yeah, in total. Yeah, if you just count it off of like 1 micro, easily 100 points.
Yeah.
Because 25, 45, and then this 50 point play. So
And see how we keep our losers hella small? We only lost 20 points yesterday.
yeah.
Okay, I got this shit figured out now. I can actually trade my FTD counts. Trade by 3 limit. Okay. Play this out or something. My bad. Bro, we didn't get the copyright strike. I gotta stop my YouTube stream first.
So yeah, I
And
mean,
I'm probably still gonna stay here for like another 20 minutes.
yeah.
Oh, this is easy. Okay. It's not that hard. Okay, I got this shit figured out now.
So what is this thing that I'm working, bro? Yeah, if we close under this 4-hour gap, like there's still a lot of time, like 3 hours left. Like, yeah, we're just bearish. So I would just probably not long.
Mm-hmm. Yo, KJ, check that ticket real quick.
1 sec. Okay, the ticket. Just made a call to market maker homie about to manage the ticket. Ticket, where the fuck is the ticket? Bro. No way,
Isn't
bro.
that crazy, bro? Get a ticket for that?
It's actually smart. It's better than just posting a link and like getting into the bad, bro.
Wait, look at the poll result. We got 2 red, 2 green, and then 2 break even.
Okay, let's see. Is this wait, this is an old poll. Okay, so who's red? Break even. Okay, so Steph is break even, that's fine. All good. Red. You guys wanna like the people who voted red? Oh wait, they're not even in here anymore.
Yeah, we better close the stream soon too.
I'll just DM them and then see. Oh wait, that's a fucking bro. I'm still down overall on my eval. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, like, how much drawdown do you have left on the eval? Minus 700. Yeah, that's not too bad. Like, even if it's a 50k, it's not bad. So minus 700. So like that funded play that I took, the same one that like Fearless took, like I was up, I think around 250 or 300 at the like the very 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 top. Then I took 2 off. And I had three that stopped at a break even. So like again, it's just you're literally like two trades away from being break even, right? So don't worry about it. And if you didn't take a trade today, like you still have the account. You know, just use the live streams to kind of learn. Start with learning, and then just kind of go from there.
Reversal time. Yeah, we can definitely see a reversal. Yes, took out those. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, never mind. They'll get SMT. Tap the new opening gap. Yes, took out those lows. Yeah, I can see a reversal here. Sure. Oh. Yeah, I'm just happy that our weekly draw got hit.
Yeah,
Exactly what I want to see today. Just a dump. Monday manipulation, Tuesday a dump. We'll see what
do you think
tomorrow. Huh?
Do you think low of the week is put in today?
Low of the week? Honestly, can't tell right now. I want to see how today closes. You're looking at the weekly. I don't know.
Bro, what? Let's see, how many points did we dump? So we opened up. Holy shit. We've dumped a total of like 413 points in one candle. Again, like, can you open the daily chart real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. So look at today's candle, and then look at like the last 3 days candles, and then compare how many times we've alerted, based on those like last 3 day candles versus
these
today.
only
So
moved
today,
like 200, 250, and then this one moved 500 something.
yeah. So today there's 3 like formal alerts, and then we commentated through another, I think, 1 or 2. So again, like we can take, and then we can say I'm in this because we have the accounts, because we just literally just wait, be patient, right? So again, you don't have to full board. Like my 100K account is almost at the 50% just by taking like micros, and it's like less stress. I still have like the whole month to I got on the 27th or 28th, so I still have like like 20 more days, 27 more days to pass it. So I'm just taking it slow. And like, look at this, like 27 to now is like how many days? Like 4 or 5 days, right? So I have all these days, and I've already hit almost 50% on it. And like, another 4 or 5 days, I could literally be past the account with like zero stress, no forwarding, no chasing the pass, right? So
yeah, if we drop to this daily for value gap, this is going to be my reaction here, by the way.
What is that?
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna drop all the way down there, but if we do, then that's crazy. Pump it up, NQ. I want to take some paper longs, ain't gonna lie.
True dollar equal highs at 960. $9.16.
Oh, we got another spammer. Wait.
Yeah, I just got a fearless. Like,
Techno.
I just got a friend request from Fearless 0.
Yeah.
916. Yeah, those equal highs, and then there's also another pair at like 66. Some relative equal highs at 38. Up 450. Good job, man.
Yep.
Mechanical model.
That's why I wanted
18%.
the longs on paper.
Yeah, like a mechanical model is good because you set your TP, you set your stop, and then you just wait. Literally don't need a brain. Yeah, I mean, one of my mechanical models is it's basically, if you search up like ICT his son's model, it's that. But then, so if you watch that video, what he does is he waits for a 5-minute high or low to be swept, then he goes to 30-second chart, and then he takes like the first fair value gap with a 12-point stop and a 10-point TP, and the win rate is so high that the negative risk and reward is like, it's taken care of, and it's mechanical, and I use it a lot for like evals and stuff. Except what I do is a little bit more aggressive, so I wait for like the 1-minute high and low swing lows, and they have to be like clear, right? Like it has to be like the start of a leg, or like 50% of the leg, or the end of the leg. So I don't just take every little one swing high. Bro, we're getting this pump. Like,
Told you I was gonna pump, bro. I should have took it on my eval, but I was looking at the chat, banning people.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really see. Yeah, I'm not gonna even commentate or alert like anything now. We've already alerted enough.
Yeah.
Cause the last thing I want to
Launches
do is
coming up.
someone who hasn't taken a trade, they take a trade now and then they take a loss. Especially when most of the move has happened. Limit sell.
FOMO. Somebody take my account. I want to short SPY again because I exited too early. Okay, Jay, you got that?
You should. Yeah, you should watch the FOMO video. It literally goes over that. Exiting at your TP and then it goes without you. Or
Wait, he's in here. He's in the trading chat.
Yeah, I'll just I'll link the video.
How do we find an entry if you have a target? When we have a weekly target like that, you can't really catch the top. Like today, we just waited. We took some inversion for value gaps. The scalped. We had a pretty big move at the open, so I wasn't really trying to hold too much.
I posted a video for anyone who needs it, the FOMO video. Again, like that video it can only help you, kind of put a perspective into FOMO and give you the advice, but it's always going to be on yourself. I don't care what any Discord and stuff says. I don't care what any influencer says. Like, even ICT says it himself. He can give you the tools to do it, but it's really up to you at the end of the day. It's funny how I'm up 2,000 on the demo, but then I get scared to take trades on the eval. Here's what I would do. So if your financial situation allows you to buy another eval, think of your current eval as it's already gone, and then just take the alerts, and then if it's gone, it's gone. And what you can do is like those 700 drawdown. I'm just gonna assume it's like a 50K. So what's the drawdown on 50K? Like 2,000, 2,500?
2,500.
Okay, so 1,800 left, right? So let's see how I'll do this. I would risk like $200 per trade. Just size for $200 per trade. If the stop makes sense, it's 2,000 drawdowns. Okay, so 1,300. So I'd risk like 150 per trade. That gives you like a little bit less than 10 trades in a row that you have to lose, right? So size like 3 to 4 micros, and then if you have to size down, like just try not to take any trade that's only 1 micro. In all honesty, just so you could start scaling at 2 to 1. Because that's gonna, first of all, that's gonna build a discipline. Building up that 700 again, with 2 to 3 micros. Like, you guys can ask Fearless for proof. Like, I've done it. Like, I've been down on a top step eval, like 1.6k, and I literally got back to profits with 2 to 3 micros, and then I resume like my normal size. And so yeah, so 2 to 3 micros. If it doesn't allow you to take 2, then just don't take the trade. Because what I want you to do is like target 2 to 1, and then you scale most at 2 to 1, and then the last one's a runner, because that runner is really gonna make the difference with micros. And yeah, just think of it as like you're just coming to the market expecting to lose trades, and then give yourself 2 trades a day max. So if the first trade, if you take 3 micros and it's a loss, in the next trade take 2, right? And if same thing, like if you take 5 micros, the next trade is 2. It doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss. And the reason for that is, so let's say you take 3 micros and you take a loss, you technically took like, let's just say for simplicity, like $3 loss. So if you take 2 on the next trade and it's green, and your runner can literally make you that $3 back, if you exit at 2 to 1 on the first one, right? And if you take a loss, you're losing another $2. So that's why I said it's around 10 trades, and that's because if you take a loss on the first one, you're gonna size down, and if you take a win on the first one, you're gonna size down again. So yeah, just think of it like you already lost the eval, right? Like I mentioned this yesterday, when you buy an eval, you should, if you keep a log of like your expenses and stuff, like your personal expenses, you should already be writing, negative 50 or 100 or whatever the cost is for the eval. And that kind of gets it in your brain that like, look, like I've already spent this money, the money's already gone, and the only way it comes back is if you make, again, not 3,000, like 6,000, because after the eval phase, you don't make any money. You have to get funded, then you have to get you have to pay the fees and get the payout as well, right? So just think of it like that. And you can apply this psychology to any business, right? Like imagine if like Steve Jobs was scared, like do I really want to go against Windows?
YouTube, like up the stream.
Do I really want to go against Microsoft? Like imagine if he was scared, right? It's just we're going against like prop firms, right? Like yeah, we're trying to get paid from them, but at the end of the day, like they're trying to make money off of us, and we're trying to make money off of them, right? So
Yeah.
they'd rather us take a loss. Wait, hold on. I gotta mute myself for a bit.
Okay. So I want to see NQ go a bit higher. Relative highs on ES.
Yeah, those equal highs got taken, that like Aiken pointed out. And then there's more at 38. I think there's more at 63.
So I want to see a push up. That's my second. Yeah, I'll take it on my paper account.
Oh, George taking every trade, bro. Guy's a beast.
Mr. George.
You took that 30-second, didn't you, George? I wish. The 11, like 08, 1108. And then we inversed it at 28, 29. I don't even go on 30-second, yeah. I mean, I think, let me check. Yeah, I mean, the 1 minute, it also inverts on the 1 minute, 28. $882, yeah, around there. Yeah, 883, 882, yeah. You took that?
Me?
Yes, sir. No, George.
Oh.
I'm in that too.
I took it on paper.
But again, I didn't alert it because like I've already alerted all this other stuff. Again, I'm not gonna be in a trade not alerted and then post it as I alerted it. Like we're not gonna do that. Like what we alerted, like specifically, like saying like I'm in this, that's what's gonna be counted towards how many points we get. The extra stuff is like just education at this point. Like this isn't even education. This is literally just me just sitting here talking and being in one micro. But you guys gotta imagine this. So let's say I take this like one micro, and let's say both of them were to hit, or I scaled on the last one at like 50 points, and then this one, let's say I scale at 50 points too. Like that's $200, right? Imagine I do this for like 30 days. That's $6,000. Or I guess 20 days. Right? So that's $4,000. And then let's say now, with the alerts, I'm taking, 3 to 4 micros on 100K. Like literally it's 100K per month that you can pass. And then if you have the capital to invest a little bit more, you just copy trade on 3. So instead of taking, if you don't have the psychology to trade a mini, just take the 2 to 3 micros and then pass it in a longer period of time.
Yeah.
Because now think of it as it's a funded, right? So $4,000 times 3 with 2 to 3 micros over 20 days. Like, look at that. You just made $12,000 with like literally 3 micros. Like that's why trading is so powerful. It's because you could scale so quickly. Like, at a job, you can't really scale. Like your scaling is dependent on your boss.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And even if you own a business, like I own a business. Me and my wife own a business, right? So like we could only scale to how many clients we get. Right? But with trading, it's like your first payout, you can decide to trade, or you can decide to scale to two fundeds or 3 fundeds. And now with FTT, if everything goes good, like you could instantly scale. You don't even have to, you could skip the eval phase.
Yeah.
And Fearless said they're introducing like Tradeovate and stuff. So I mean, once they introduce
not Tradeovate anymore. And they said they'll introduce TradingView, but with another broker. Not Tradeovate.
Okay, I mean, because I don't know if is anyone in Canada here. Like, I don't know if you can even trade Rhythmic if you're in Canada. I'm pretty sure I had that problem. I don't know if it was with Rhythmic or what's it called? What's the other one? Ninja Trader or something?
Yeah, Ninja Trader too, yeah.
Yeah. I just have a sell order at 63. I'm already up 50.
Nice paper trade, W.
60 points. Again, like I didn't alert this, so I'm not gonna count it as alert. We're not gonna post it as.
Yeah.
We're not gonna add 60 points to what we caught. I'm so salty, bro. Why?
Mr. Peter.
I was shorting this whole time. Wait, were you in like a short position and you thought you were long?
Wait, what? That's crazy.
Oh, hell no. I mean, just exit and call it a day. I'm telling y'all, man, if y'all fail a funded, if y'all fail an eval, like before you even beat yourself up, just think like, okay, like what went wrong and let me fix it. And then just skip that whole part of like the doubt, the fear, the sadness. Skip all that. Because as soon as you buy the eval, just expect to fail it.
Be fearless.
Bro, why did you?
That was a good one, bro.
That was a good one. Fearless, bro. That's literally why the name is Fearless Traders, because
yeah,
like all the fear that we had was leading to these like losses, these blown evals. Because
that's crazy.
There's that, and there. I'm out. Okay, now I'm done.
I'm out
I'm
too.
not trading.
I'm up 3K
Not
on
even-
all my accounts. I'm out.
Yeah, I'm not even trading a micro. Like that's.
Bro, I actually
how
like
out
the
I am.
50% rule because if I had the old plan, I would probably try to pass this in one day. Now I got 2 accounts at 3K, and I know I can't trade them anymore.
Yeah, I mean, I might just pick up those because the no consistency makes it so much better.
What code are you gonna use? Can you tell them?
I made a separate alt account. I'm like,
Hell no, bro. Imagine.
I mean, low key, that's like an infinite money glitch. But
Yeah, what a
Code
W
fearless.
day today. Passed my top 7 accounts. Hit 50% on MFU. W. Yeah, if we took any trade that we called out, I want to see it in P&L channel.
yeah, and Steph, if you're still listening, I would like open a ticket and like explain to us why you have that fear, right? Of not taking the trade, but you take it on paper. Because if you're seeing the results on paper, like again, you have the results there. Just take it on eval.
Hey, you two, I want to call it here. I have to go soon.
Next
I'm
target
gonna
is
stay live in my
185.
Discord, but I'm gonna call it here.
I'm not in anything anymore.
Make sure you guys like the stream.